Welcome to Daily Exam Preparation Channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Let's dive into the topic.
Question: which classical dance form is known as the Dance of the Thousand Hands? Answer B. Kathakali. Question: the classical dance form Manipuri originates from which Indian state? Answer B. Manipur. Question: which Indian classical dance is traditionally performed as a solo female dance expressing devotion to Lord Krishna? Answer A. Bharatanatyam. Question: which classical dance style is characterized by intricate footwork and spins and originated in North India? Answer A. Kathak. Question: the dance form Kathakali is primarily associated with which Indian state? Answer A. Kerala. Question: which classical dance form uses facial expressions and hand gestures extensively to narrate stories from Hindu epics? Answer A. Kathakali. Question: Mohiniyattam, a classical dance form, is traditionally performed by which gender? Answer B. Female. Question: Satriya dance is a classical dance form originating from which region? Answer A. Assam. Question: which classical dance form was introduced by the saint poet Jayadev through his work Gita Govinda? Answer A. Odissi. Question: which Indian classical dance form is known for its sculpturesque poses and was revived from temple dances of Odisha? Answer A. Odissi. Question: Kuchipudi dance originated in which Indian state? Answer A. Andhra Pradesh. Question: which dance form is known for the use of tarangam, where dancers perform on the edges of a brass plate? Answer A. Kuchipudi. Question: the classical dance form Bharatanatyam is traditionally associated with which Indian state? Answer A. Tamil Nadu. Question: which classical dance form incorporates elements of martial arts and ritualistic performance? Answer A. Kathakali. Question: the term mudra in Indian classical dances refers to? Answer B. Hand gestures. Question: which classical dance form is known for its gentle, graceful movements and is often called the dance of the enchantress? Answer A. Mohiniyattam. Question: the Natya Shastra, an ancient treatise on performing arts, was authored by? Answer A. Bharat Muni. Question: which classical dance form traditionally uses a costume called Panchakcham? Answer A. Bharatanatyam. Question: which dance form is closely linked with the Vaishnavite monasteries and culture of Assam? Answer A. Satriya. Question: the classical dance form that uses the Bhramar, B. movement symbolizing love and devotion is? Answer A. Manipuri. Question: Which Indian classical dance form is famous for the use of vibrant face makeup and elaborate costumes? Answer A. Kathakali. Question. The dance form Chhau is recognized as a classical dance by the Sangeet Natak Akademi and originates from which region? Answer A. Odisha and Jharkhand. Question. The classical dance form, which is heavily influenced by the Bhagavata Purana and Radhakrishna themes is? Answer A. Manipuri. Question. Which classical dance form traditionally involves the use of a cymbal-like instrument called manjira? Answer A. Kuchipudi. Question. Lasya and Tandav are terms associated with? Answer A. Indian classical dance forms describing feminine and masculine dance styles. Question. Which classical dance form was historically performed in temples as an offering to deities? Answer A. Bharatanatyam. Question. The classical dance form Satriya was introduced in the 15th to 16th century by which saint? Answer A. Srimant Shankardev. Question. Which classical dance is also known as Dasyattam? Answer A. Bharatanatyam. Question. The Hasta Mudras in Indian classical dances are used to? Answer A. Convey emotions and tell stories. Question. Which classical dance form's repertoire is divided into Nritta, Nritya and Natya? Answer A. Bharatanatyam.
Thanks for watching. If you've got any ideas or suggestions, drop them in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Thanks for your support. Please like, share, and subscribe for more videos.